Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode today. This mystery box is $1,400, and if you guys are new to the channel, this is called a beater box. It's full of mystery shoes. It could be in worn condition, new condition, with boxes, without boxes. You never know what you're gonna get, and the whole purpose of these boxes is to sell the shoes to try to make more money than what you paid for. So that's what we're gonna be opening up today, and you know what? Let's just get right into it, guys. $1,400. Okay, and oh my goodness, we have a lot of shoes to go over today, and I don't see very many good ones. So the first one that we have is this bad boy right here. Looks like a pair of Air Max 90s. Are these in infrared? I think there's some kind of infrared. What do we got? 5.5Y from 2014. Okay, this isn't that bad actually. Definitely a worn sneaker. This is actually in pretty decent condition. You will see there's a lot of sock lint in the shoe up here, but I think the rest of the shoe looks okay. A little bit of scuff marks, you can kind of clean that up pretty fast, and bottom's not heavily damaged, which is great. So this is the first one that we have right over here. I've been doing this new thing with you guys where I actually check the prices on screen with you so you can see my reaction towards these prices. I'm gonna assume, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks. So it looks like I was a little bit off. This thing is actually going for about like 80 bucks or so. So that's not that bad. I'm actually very surprised about that. Now we have a pair of Air Max 97s, and this one is the silver bullet colorway. I'm assuming this is a 5.5 too. It is a 5.5, and the reason why I guessed that is because now it seems like they're kind of putting collections together, so once you see one size, there's probably going to be a lot of the same size in the box. The Air Max 97 is modeled after those bullet trains in Japan. There is a lot of discoloration, probably due to age, but not a lot of cuts on the upper, and still very wearable. So that's shoe number 2, Air Max 97. And so for this one, GS Silver Bullets, 5.5. Oh, wow, no way. Okay, some of these prices are insane. This one says $1,500 brand new. I'm assuming nobody's buying it at that price. But the used price, okay, 140, 150 is the asking around here. And the size lower is about 180. So this is actually worth quite a bit of money, which is insane. Very crazy, and I guess a good second shoe. Okay, and one last shoe without a box, another Air Max. This one is the Air Max 98s. I believe these are called the Gundams, very cool name. And in a size 5.5, we're gonna guess. Oh wow, I was wrong, size 7 for this one, so size 7. Another classic colorway on the Air Max series, the Gundams. This thing is very dope. I think the name Gundam actually comes from the anime, so another Japan kind of like base shoe. This one has a lot of life in it as well, just a lot of discoloration on the bottom due to age. But yeah, no markings or anything on this. In terms of pricing, what do we have? Size 7. Wow, again, new prices for these shoes are insane, but we're looking at the used section, and so on the used section, it's about 100 bucks or so, so that's still pretty good. Like, what's crazy is that these are smaller size shoes and they're actually getting like these kinds of asks, so that's a good sign, good way to start off the box. I think I forgot to mention too, if you guys do want to cop any of the shoes on this mystery box, head over to untitledhawaii.com. They are loaded up on the website. But for this next one, Nike size 13 Dunk Low, and I've already seen the colorway. This is the Michigans? I think they're called the Michigans. Michigan Dunk Lows, size 13. And this one is worn again. Probably the best condition out of all the shoes that we've seen so far. Not a lot of toe box creasing over here on the leather. There is some creasing on the inside, which is kind of confusing. I don't know how you crease it like this. Bottoms look to be pretty good too. Kind of a decent amount of star loss up here. But still, great shoe, and dunks are still selling very well. The dunk market is heavily oversaturated right now, but these things still move very easily on the website. Michigan 2021, size 13, scroll over. Dead stock price $345. That's pretty darn high actually. The used price, wow, 250 bucks. Okay. And the offers, there's no offers yet, but that's not bad. 250. If we can get 250 for this, that's pretty darn good. Some of the smaller sizes are going for about a little over 200, which would still be good pricing for this. Oh baby, we got a good shoe right here. This is what I like to see. Size 14 Jordan 1 box, 14, and the colorway. Whew, this is a good one. It is a pair of the Jordan 1 Mochas, guys. One of my favorite colorways, actually, like base colorways that have come out for the Jordan 1 in like the last 2 or 3 years. A lot of people are saying these are like the poor man Travis Scott's because it does have that Mocha colorway, just no reverse swoosh, and the quality of this one is very good. And a size 14, man, this thing is huge. You can see it's like the same size as the computer. That toe box leather is pretty worn, but it is a solid leather, which I like. No markings or anything on the top of the shoe, and bottoms look pretty good as well. So this is like a 9 out of 10 condition shoe, and on a model that's very coveted, so you know it will move fast. 14 is a huge size. I haven't checked that pricing. So $600 for a brand new pair. Used, dun, da, da, da. No boxes. It's showing 370, but with box a little over 400. So 400 bucks for this is a great price. Next up, we got a Jordan box, size 7Y. Oh wow, we got a lot of classics in this box today, guys. This is a pair of the True Blue 3s. 2016 release, size 7. One of the best looking Jordan 3s. This one is heavily worn though, a lot of creasing over the top, a lot of scuffing on the inside sole. Then on the bottoms, you can see a lot of star loss, a lot of heel drag. So heavily worn shoe, but I know the price will probably still be pretty good on this just because the True Blue 3s, they're classic. Everybody wants that colorway. True Blue 2016, size 7Y is $400. What the heck? That's for the new price. And for the used price, oh, there we go. So it's only about 60, 70 bucks or so. Not as high as I thought. Dead stock would have been great. Used, not so much. Grab this one next. We got like 4 shoes left, guys. This one is a Nike Dunk High in a size 8. Yo, wow, we're getting some great shoes in this box today. These are a pair of those maize or yellow Dunk Highs, and this one is in worn condition as well. Yellow shoes, you guys know what it is. I love yellow sneakers, but this one has seen better days. A lot of creasing over here in the top. Even the inside, the yellow and stuff is kind of fading on here, so I don't know if they tried to clean this or if that's just natural progression, but it's kind of like turning like a dark green. That's kind of gross. Bottoms are pretty worn as well, but still, shoe itself very good. And like all Nike Dunks, these things do move. I don't know what the pricing would be for this. I would guess maybe 130 bucks or so. Iowas, so new they're 178, used with box about 120 bucks, so that's not bad. Next up, a box that I already know what the shoe is. This is a Jordan 1. Women's sizing should be, yep, size 10, so 8.5 men's. And this should be a pair of those Port Purple 1s. Oh, did we get a DS pair? Come on. No, I don't think it's a DS pair. This is crazy. I actually realized this is the first time we haven't seen a DS pair in a mystery box in a minute. But this one, I know it's not going to fetch a lot of value. Like, honestly, I think this was going for less than retail, just because when it came out, everybody realized it was a pretty poor made shoe. You can see like the leather and stuff on here is not good. Has like kind of like a plasticky vibe on it too, which that's not great. I'm not expecting much, maybe 100 bucks if that. New, they're going for 180, so a little bit over retail now. But the used, interesting. The used pairs, they're saying they're going for 165. I don't buy that. Smaller sizes are going about for 145, so I think that's closer to where we're looking at, maybe 150, but not as much as you would expect for like a Jordan 1, right? Okay, 2 shoes left. We'll grab this one next. Jordan box. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Ow, I just ran over my toe, but I got so excited. This can't be real. Oh, okay, this is gonna be very interesting. So it says it's a 10.5, right? And it says it's a Jordan 4 and a colorway that I really love on like this little tag. But I know this isn't the right box that this Jordan 4 is supposed to come in. Is it fate? Size 10.5. Is this really the green glow? Oh my gosh, guys. It came back. It's in immaculate condition. Oh my god. So for people that don't know why I'm freaking out, this was the first Jordan I ever bought myself. And like one of the earliest Jordans that I remember, like when I started my YouTube channel. In 2016, that's when I bought this. I bought it DS from Soul Supremacy for like 400 bucks at the time. Really crazy price. But that was like literally the shoe that got me going into the sneaker YouTube channel. And man, it's in my size 10.5. Came in a beater box. Doesn't have its original box, but man, the condition is so good. This is an automatic keep, and as you guys can tell, I'm so darn excited for this one. Even still to this day, this is probably my favorite colorway for the Jordan 4. I like this one a lot. Honestly, it reminds me of what the infrareds are going to look like when they come out, except the infrareds are going to change out these eyelets for that like orangish red. Bottoms, this is why I liked it a lot. It had that mint colorway, dude, and man, I can't believe it. It came back. Oh my god. This is like no hesitation. I'm not putting it up on the web store, guys. I'm sorry. I'm keeping this one. It's just too good to be true. This is going in the collection. But in terms of pricing, Green Glow 4. So dead stock, the asking price is about 600. Used? Wow, okay. Maybe I should have bought these on the aftermarket. They're not going for that much. Let's check out the conditions on these. Okay, that one is beat up as F. Do you see this? Okay, for 150, those are very beat up. Next one, let's see. I know you guys want to see the rest of the shoes, but I'm trying to figure out the price for you guys. This one is pretty faded, it looks like, and another very heavily worn, 185. So again, you can see like why I covet this one so much, because the condition is so good. This one is probably the closest to its condition. The asking is 398, so probably 350 is what we're looking at for this. But again, it doesn't matter. I'm keeping these. When stars align, guys, you just have to listen to what's being told to you, right? So that's why I'm gonna keep these. Oh man, that's too good. Okay, last shoe in the box. We still have one more. This is I'm guessing the Gatorade Jordans. You can see that green Jumpman on the orange box. 11.5 Jordan 6. It's gotta be Gatorade, right? Yep, and it is those Gatorade 6s, and this is one that I always liked because the quality of the shoe is very good, and this one, even though it's worn, you can probably see how good that quality is like holding up, because this one, the leather is super strong on this still. It's a very soft and high quality leather. That orange Gatorade color is super iconic, and I like that they did like these little like collabs with Gatorade for this. You can see this looks like the Gatorade bottle, which is very, very dope. This lace lock, very cool thing they did there. But for the final pricing of the last shoe, let's see, 11.5 Gatorade 6. Wow, they're not going for that much money. Well, this guy's asking 6,000 for a new pair. This is the problem with the market. People can put any price they want. Nobody's gonna buy that for 6K. Original box, used condition. Geez, I guess the price isn't that great for this. It's only going for about $100 or so, maybe 110. So that's a pretty poor way to end the box, but I mean, we got some great stuff in here, as you guys saw. Obviously capped off by that Jordan 4 Green Glow, which is not for sale. That is my original Jordan. Started the channel with that shoe and it came back into the collection somehow, so we're keeping that. But the rest of the shoes will be for sale, so if you guys do want to buy anything, head over to untiedhawaii.com. But thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the sneaker mystery box. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button before you leave. Leave a comment down below as well, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoot!